coming true. Tom's Creek calling, whispers in the breeze, casting out my line, oh, bring me to my knees. But the water's heavy, feels like a storm. Anger in the currents, wild and warm, reeling in the tension, can't break free. Nature's fury challenging me. Fish are jumping, battling the hooks, adrenaline's rushing. I'm in the books, but the storm's brewing. Sky's turning gray, every cast is a gamble in this nature ballet. In the waters, struggles untold, but there's beauty in the chaos as new tales unfold. In the fight for life, through joy and strife, Tom's Creek, you carve my path of life.
As the sun sets and the shadows grow long, I'll cherish this moment, a soldier so strong. Tom's Creek whispers as I pack up my gear, this fishing adventure forever I'll hold dear.